What's up, guys? Welcome back. We've got Bitcoin clinging to a new potential all-time high. We're moments away, everybody, from a new all-time high for Bitcoin. It got so close. It was just edging to that moment, right? But we're going to talk about Pepe coin again in this video. I want to talk about Pepe, where I think is the perfect entry for the future bear market, so you don't have to miss out on this wonderful run and FOMO in. But also, I just want to talk about what I think is going to happen with Pepe as well. So the meme market is looking astronomical. And if we just look at the yearly performance, we can see the market cap by meme is sitting at 62 billion and it's getting close to its previous all-time at 69 billion. So the meme market is really starting to rally. And when we look at all the historical data, the actual all-time high for memes was 89 billion back when Elon Musk was shilling the heck out of Dogecoin, right? We're not going to see him do that again. So effectively, this is an anomalous surge of money. Look at how euphoric it was because everyone is at home doing nothing. This is totally different. This is consolidation. So this is like true value rather than just like FOMO and euphoric hype. So this is a good thing. Anyway, we're going to look at Pepe. We can see on the day it's come down a bit of a correction on the 7 days, still in the red overall. On the month, we're actually still in the red here for Pepe. So yes, the other day did feel good. Like, oh, we're seeing a 10% pump. But on average, Pepe coin is still actually down. But I do think Pepe is still one of the better meme coins to be buying in this current climate and bull run. Not financial advice, of course. So I think a lot of the market is also waiting to see what happens with the elections. And if Donald Trump does win, I think we will also see Bitcoin fly, meme coins fly, and altcoins, yeah, fly as well. Pepe itself deserves itself as a top 5 meme coin forever, in my opinion. But I do want to talk about some crucial levels, in my honest opinion, where I would be buying Pepe coin next time and where I think this coin can actually go. So we can see, look, analysts forecast final dip for Pepe coin price before 30 surge. So some analysts think we'll see one more dip before a new 30% surge to the upside because of a symmetrical triangular pattern that has formed. It says Pepe coin price poised for a final dip ahead a projected 30% rally which could be coming. In the last 4 days, the Pepe price rebounded from the pattern support trend line at 0.000084 to the 852, registering a 13% jump. Pepe's market cap surged to 4.01 billion, and he thinks history could repeat. We could come down a bit, retest the lower threshold of this support region, which looks like it's, we'll see that in a moment, I guess. I think they're drawing up this symmetrical triangle here. Yeah, I see it just about. So that's what they're illustrating, is this symmetrical triangle here on the daily time frame. And they're thinking one more bounce to the downside before we potentially fly again. That could actually be a possibility. And that is the exact symmetrical triangle they are talking about indeed. I actually saw that as more of a descending triangle, but we all have our own opinions, and that's why it's a very speculated space. So yeah, it could absolutely happen. We could indeed follow the trajectory that they believe will happen, which is retest here at 8.4 one more time, and then make that slow move to the upside and achieve that 30% momentum again to the upside. 30% is even quite conservative, actually. I think we could retest the 139 level here for Pepe, so that's something to look forward to. Now, I also want to talk about where I think Pepe can get to by the end of this bull run, because of course we're talking about billions of dollars already by market capital, so we can't be like, yeah, this is gonna 10x, yo. No, you've got to be quite realistic with your numbers, right? So I always use fib extension, and it takes us to 238, so that's where I think it could go. About a 2.5x realistically, without actually being like nonsensical sort of thing. So yeah, guys, we're now going to talk about where the perfect entry for the next bear market could be. First things first though, if you are new here, we've got the WAP store live now. So if you're looking to find indicators, trading signals, and extra ways to potentially grow your crypto portfolio, check out the WAP store down below, or you can also become a patron. We've only got literally 3 crypto legend memberships left. 3. So thank you to all the 97 people that have already got into it. If you want these things, all the signals, futures, spot, early alpha, we have something huge coming up in about 8 to 10 days, and you don't want to miss it, especially if you're becoming a crypto legend. This could pay off the whole year in one go. So it's something really, really big that you should definitely keep an eye on, in my opinion. Now, let's have a look at the weekly time frame for Pepe. The last time Pepe coin got to mass oversold on this time frame or chart was in September 2023. That's the last time Pepe coin got to an RSI that reflected extreme fear. Now, we don't have much data. It only goes to August 2023. But of course, the next time I would be then looking to buy into Pepe, rationally and really exorbitantly accumulate, would be when this RSI comes down to this region. And do you know why it's going to do it? Because it does it for Shiba, it does it for Doge, it does it for every main meme coin. You want to be accumulating the meme coins, like I say, in those bearish phases. So if we look, for example, at Shiba Inu, the perfect time to be buying, actually Shiba Inu was between 32 and 43 on the RSI, because that was its bottom. So you could also apply maybe 40 and 30 as a good time to be accumulating Pepe coin. We could also probably back that up with Dogecoin. So really, the bottom that we did put in on the weekly RSI was right here, 38. So I guess more pragmatically, because we don't know if it will ever be oversold again, because it is a giant cap meme coin now, you would want to be buying and aping in my opinion, around this 38 to 33 region on the RSI. So if it does pull back that low, that's where I would be buying. I wouldn't even be looking at the price. I wouldn't care about the price. I wouldn't look at the price. Maybe I'll just check some support levels, but I would be keeping an eye on the sentimental value at the time. If it's an extreme fear, then 99% of people are not buying, and everyone probably sold in a loss, and now it's your chance to buy in and hopefully make some gain. So the RSI is a very, very overlooked tool. Not many people use it, but you could use it on the inverse as well. When things are overbought and looking very, very pumpy, above 70 RSI, then you start selling. You start taking some profits, taking risk off the table, because there's a good chance it's going to pull back. Anyway, that's something I totally like to talk about, and not many people do, but I think it's a strategy that works quite well. Now, what else is happening in the markets? We've been talking about Pepe, so we also have the one and only, I'm going to quickly show you guys, Pepe Unchained. Now we can see this is a new Pepe coin called Pepe Unchained. It's a layer 2 ecosystem, its very own layer 2 blockchain. So I wanted to share it with you. We can see they've massively floored the $23 million raise, which is just insane to see. They've got 20k views on this. And overall, I just think it's a cool looking meme coin. It's in an ICO phase. It's worth, at the moment, $0.01189. And the next price increase will happen in 17 hours. So this is a meme coin ICO launching in just a few weeks. Make sure you do have a look at it if you like your meme coins. And when we're in sort of the meme mania phase and a strong bull market, ICO season sort of comes to life. So it could be a good opportunity for 2 to 10x. It's hard to say exactly where it will go. No one knows, we don't have a crystal ball, but the layer 2 ecosystem comprises of a DEX, a bridge, a block explorer, staking, and a developer grant. So there's a cool things here about the product itself, and it could actually have a good launch. So do have a look at it. I think it could do well. The staking wall is now at 99%, so it is dropping as people do add liquidity to the staking pool, but it's entirely up to you. You don't have to stake it. You could just literally buy it and hold it on like a spot sort of one-to-one value. But yeah, really cool ecosystem. Let me know what you think about it, and I will leave a link down below for you to do your own due diligence and research. 8 billion total tokens. So that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video somewhat, and please get yourself into the Discord down below, because people are making some big juicy crypto gains at the moment. You can see from the signal side, they're doing pretty good, and yeah, we've got a lot to talk about soon. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. Bye.